Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Sometimes our clothes may be a little bit stinky and you may be looking for a way to refresh them. This little fabric to go from Febreze is a nice little travel companion. So it is a small size, it's 2.8 ounces. So this is actually carry-on acceptable if you're looking for something to take with you traveling, which is what I've done in the past. So sometimes when you're traveling, you don't have all your comforts of home and maybe you're looking to refresh some of your clothes that have been sitting in your suitcase and just make them smell a little bit better. This is a great way to do that. So you can actually just spray this on your fabrics. You can also spray this onto upholstery, sofas, things like that. So if you're going to be in a place where you feel like you might need something like this, it's really handy to have with you. So the spray function works really well and it creates a nice fine mist so you can evenly spray it over whatever you are working with, and it does a great job. So you just simply spray it on, let it dry, and it lifts out odors and things from your fabrics so they're nice and fresh smelling. So if you're looking for a very easy travel companion to go size of this fabric refresher, then I would definitely check this one out from Febreze. It works really well and it is very travel friendly, and that's my point of view.